Hello friends, today we will start understand the Excel right from the beginning. Here in this session we will learn about these shortcuts and the formulas and the benefits which you can take in Excel. Here we have some codes for the product. This is the description. So many times when you are a new user or an experienced one, you have to use the shortcut keys. You must know it. First of all, the length. This is what to understand about it. The length of the total number of the characters given in the particular word, and how we will write it. Len text enter. So this particular text contains 11 characters. What about the others? Here it is. This has 9. Just double click on this one and you will get all the length of this string. Okay, now there may be some other cases like if we check the length of this string. Okay, this is 8. Now from 2 to 14 or 15, every part has same length. Why visually? Is it so actually? So I will drop it down. Now here you see the total character is 8 here, whereas you can check visually the total character is 8, but here it is 9. Why? If we tab it here, and we will see that there is one space given after 0, which means the Excel is containing space as a character. Sorry. So there is another way how to check it. That we will cover on later on, and this is one length. Now you can check here, the description is given all in the capital letters. Here it is in the capital, first capital, and other one are the small letters. To bring it by a single command into the for in the proper way, we use the word proper. How we write it? Proper of string which we want to maintain, like this. Okay, with the description, and here all of these description has come the first character in the capital and the rest one in the small characters. If we change, suppose here, the ultimate result will remains the same. Okay, so this is very useful trick. Now suppose we have to convert it in the uppercase. We will use the upper of this particular string. It is again the description, and we will bring it down. All your characters are converted into the capital letters. Okay, if we insert the column here, okay, to understand the other ones, the same is the lower for the text, brings everything in the small characters. On the double click of the description, it bring it down with all the characters with the small alphabets. Now we have seen that there are a lot of space given which is not visually identified. If we bring any formula on the base of these things, okay, then there might be an error just because of the space mentioned in this, the hidden space mentioned actually, because the space is not uh, seeing here. Okay, so how it will convert it into the proper one? This is by trim. Sorry, trim of this. Okay, now what trim will do? It will end up all the space. Now, if we check the length again of this string, this is 8, and all these are 8 where it is 9. This is 9, 8. This again is converted into the 8, and here the length of the character of the string is similar. Okay, this is the use of the trim function. Now, the date function. There are two types of the dates. Suppose in this column, I want to enter the date. How I will write? Just by pressing the shortcut key, the control and the semicolon. Okay, control and semicolon. Like control and semicolon. Okay, then do it yourself. Control and semicolon. Now, what for time? For time, it is control shift colon. Got it? Control colon, control shift semicolon. It will show you time and date. Now, the main thing is this, that these dates are fixed. Here you can see these dates are fixed. It is visually we can understand that there is no formula, but it is a shortcut of mentioning the date and the time. But what if this is the report of any type and we want to update it on daily basis? Okay, so what we do? We do not update it on daily basis, but it will be automatically updated. Like if we write it today, open bracket, close bracket, and enter. Now, if we choose this column, select this column, and here the formula is written. This formula, what it did, it will automatic update your report date as on today. Okay, if you want to make it uh, an advanced date or lesser date, you can add one or subtract one or subtract how many times. It will automatically create the series of the dates. It depends on you how you are going to implement this. Okay,